I have this chest phone strap mount here. It's actually super nice and super comfortable as well. We got straps here on the front and the back. It's very, very stretchy, so super comfortable. Even if you're bigger than me, you shouldn't have any problem getting it on here. And the mount itself is adjustable, so you can move it up and down or change the orientation, flipping it like this. Very, very flexible. And this mount holds my Samsung Galaxy S20, but also holds, like iPhones, and it also holds all the GoPros. It's great for if you're on the move as well. You can definitely walk around, move around, and it won't fall off. You don't have to worry about anything like that. I can go up and down here, or even just like a little bit of jogging. Don't have to worry about it falling off. All right, my phone's on here, nice and adjusted, and now we're ready to go. It's also super easy to disassemble. All it takes is 1 second. Just undo this clip here, and you can easily take it off. Super easy. So out of the package, this comes in 4 pieces. You got your strap here for your chest, and then all the pieces you need to mount your phone onto the strap. Assembly is super easy. You take this part here and slide it right onto there. Then if you're using your phone, you put this part right here, just click it in. And then you use the screw here to attach the pieces, tighten it. And once it's tight, you're good to go. And if you're using it with a GoPro, you don't need this part here. You can just assemble it without it.